I said this is an erosion of federal structures. Today it may be Manipur, it can happen anywhere. ये मैंने बोला. So that is why today said it is also destruction of the constitutional structures. First of all, government of India must take decisive and judicious actions to rein in the violence. Violence को पहले control करके रखना चाहिए, है ना? This is at the jurisdiction and the power of the government of India. They must do that first. And then second, they must also reject that any communal or sectarian based demand करना नहीं चाहिए इस देश में. That should be rejected. And then third, you can do जो present victims है violence का, उसका जो present condition का जो देखभाल ठीक से करना चाहिए. And then these people should be, arrangements should be made, measures should be taken up so that the internally displaced persons can go back to their homes and then lead a normal life with dignity. उसको ensure करने के लिए step लेना चाहिए इसका. Then fourth, you can start about dialogue among peoples. उसका भी एक initiative सरकार की तरफ से भी होना चाहिए. असल में in reality I haven't heard the CM saying that he wants the unified command का chairperson से. ये तो एक rumor की तरह है and people are speaking about it. But you should remember that Kuldeep Singh was appointed as the security advisor on the 4th May. जो हिंसा शुरू किया उसके तुरंत एक दिन बाद उसका अपॉइंट किया गया था एज अ सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर. उसके बाद जो हमको यूनिफाइड हेडक्वार्टर्स कहते हैं उसको लोग बोलते हैं कि यूनिफाइड कमांड. वो चीज़ क्या है? दिस इज अ बॉडी ऑफ द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ ऑल द सिक्योरिटी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, आर्मी, असम राइफल, CRPF, BSF, जो भी हो, state police, intelligence. They are there to coordinate and to take care of the law and order as well as security situation. So effectively it was chaired by Chief Minister. उसी से वो निकाल के कुलदीप को लगा दिया on 31st May. उसी से लेके आज तक उसके मुंह से मैंने सुना ही नहीं स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से. चीफ मिनिस्टर आपने कभी सुना उसका? नहीं. वो तो रूमर चल रहा है ना अभी. मैं तो ये शुरू से बोल रहा हूँ. If you have looked at my interview on June 9 on national media through Karan Thapar, I've raised these issues. I said this is an erosion of federal structures. Today it may be Manipur, it can happen anywhere. ये मैंने बोला. So that is why today said it is also destruction of the constitutional structures. Simply not only destroying Manipur, but जो constitutional mechanism है उसमें भी हमला है एक तरह का.